62% сбитых гибнет до ее
What's
приезда,
happening?
а еще 10%
Oh my god!
You never anticipate them to be as deep as they are.
But what is that? How is it that deep that it went to his neck?
Maybe it was like a pothole, like
A pothole?
a sinkhole.
That's gotta be a sinkhole. That ain't no pothole. A pot is this big.
No, what if it was one of those manholes? But he just
That's
managed to-
terrifying. That literally was up like only his head.
Oh, what did he get stuck in?
That sucks so bad.
It's just a mouthful of just shit water.
You're soaked. Oh.
What if he's like on his way to work?
Oh, he is. He's got a backpack. He's going to school or going to work, and he is soaked, like face first too.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. First of all, that person's so lucky.
Yeah.
I was looking at this car, the front one.
Yeah,
I was like,
I thought-
wow, is
yeah.
that gonna hit the front? Dang, look at this casual, just, oh, I'm gonna just put that in the garbage and walk away like nothing happened.
Literally, like I didn't see nothing.
Like, she's not gonna like call someone, let people know.
I legit thought it was gonna fall on all the. Was it not at the front?
I see.
It was at the front.
It's not collusion. I thought it was falling on that
Yeah.
black Jeep.
Literally, I was like, GG.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Top 10 Central. I'm one of your hosts, Jasper.
And I'm your other host, Eamon Hassan. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to click our playlist right here.
And come say hi on social media. You can find all of our links down below.
Smash that follow button.
Do it.
Okay.
Oh, who's getting hit?
Oh,
whoa.
fair enough.
Whoa. Whoa now.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh.
yeah, well, of course he's mad.
Why?
You can't walk across the hood of a car, Eamon.
It's not that bad.
He could have a rock in his shoe.
But he didn't.
You don't know that.
No, but he was probably just like, it was more like an ego thing. He was like, oh, how dare you step on my car when it's really not that deep. Did he dent?
Bro.
Did he dent the hood?
You don't know. He could have scratched if you had one little rock or pebble in your
Oh
shoe.
my God. No, I would have let him go. I'm like, you know what? I would have done that too. Oh, oh.
Oh, I thought that
my
was cracking his skull right
God.
open.
Dude,
Bro.
if that lands on your neck, it can actually decapitate you. I swear down, because with the force it comes down on. Dude, oh my God, I thought he was just gonna get... Yeah, I swear to God. That's why you should always be cautious when you're going down. Dude, I thought he was just gonna get stuck between the car and like the...
I didn't know what was gonna happen. I didn't really clue in.
You didn't clue in?
Until after. I was
No.
like, oh, that was bad. Like, that could have been real bad. What?
What did he even fall over from?
No, he tucked and rolled on purpose.
I think he may be a she.
He, she, what? You know what? I've done something really dumb like this. You know in the Notebook?
Yeah.
When they lie down and watch the road
Yeah.
signs change?
Yeah, yeah.
I did that as a dare one time. Like, my friend dared me to lie in the middle of an intersection and watch the lights change.
What?
And I did, like an idiot. So I'm just as stupid as this person.
Dude, you're actually wild. I really want to know what you got up to in like your, you know, like...
My prime, my party time.
No, you're still in your prime, but your party time, yeah.
When I had energy and the will to do things. Yeah. Me too. I was wild. I had fun. But I was sober when I did that. I was just stupid. What's happening? Honey, what are you doing? Where are you
Oh, he's
going?
in
He
there.
doesn't know how to control this bike. First time.
Oh, God.
Oh. You cannot have a bike if you don't know how to ride it.
Maybe this was his...
he drunk?
Oh.
he's drunk?
Maybe this is his first day after he got his license.
Then don't drive at night.
Yeah, like,
Go to an open field. Middle of the day.
practice in a parking lot.
Yeah. One step at a
Literally.
time.
God. I love how he was trying to save face, then he just fell over the bump. It's like, ugh.
He went off the road.
Yeah.
It's just like watching Mario Kart. When someone slams into the wall, then gets back, but then falls.
Yeah. No, but it's also like Mario Kart because the ones that don't have walls, you just
You fall, you fly off, then you get back on the track.
Yeah, and you're like, wow, where did I go?
And you're all disoriented.
Yeah, and you're like, oh, well, I'm already in last place now.
Oh!
Oh!
Yikes.
You have to take down your friend with you?
Whose fault is that?
obviously the person falling. I don't know if were they both
Who
on
fell?
bikes?
No, she was on rollerblades, I think.
It was her who fell.
So it was her.
Yeah.
She messed everything up.
Because as she was going down, she grabbed the other person. And then,
She was holding the bike handle and just taking the ride.
Yeah, that's over.
You know? I've also
Taking
done
the-
that.
Echoing critics who say that he repeated the same 25-second response over and
Oh.
Ah! What are they doing? Oh. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god, I thought that was gonna end so
I know,
bad.
he was so close to hitting that other car. Oh my god. Wait, I'm so confused. How that when he got in, it started moving forward, did he put his foot in accelerator first?
Yeah.
That's
maybe
really
because
dumb.
I think he got in and maybe went to hit
Oh
the
my god,
gas
what
and
an
then
idiot.
took a step out because I don't know what happened there.
I
but,
love how he came out at the beginning just to give the guy
Yeah.
the finger.
like, bro, just roll down the window and give the finger. That was a lot of effort
Yeah.
just to shoot someone the finger.
Yeah.
Oh, too many people. This is not
Very
good.
narrow, yeah.
This is not good. Oh, girls are going out. Yep. Who's going down?
They're drunk, one of them's gonna, yeah. It looks like the,
I don't know that. Oh, they're all wasted.
oh!
Oh, honey. Oh.
Do I want to say that she kind of low-key deserved it?
She
Yes.
100% deserved this.
Yeah.
She was drunk and thinks she's gonna be funny and I'm gonna
I'm gonna let you.
my hair on the
Yeah.
front of your car.
It's like, no, I have a wife and kids. I'm going home to them.
Like, I don't know. Girls get so weird when they're drunk.
They really do, but I feel like we're the funnest breed when we are drunk.
Facts.
Funnest or like could go completely wrong. You don't know.
What even
Oh.
happened? Oh my god, he's doing push-ups. Come on.
Like it didn't happen. That's a good save.
Smooth
That's a good save.
transition.
Even though everyone saw you and you did fall. But I appreciate the sentiment.
I do. I appreciate like trying to commit to how can
Yeah.
I make this as smooth as
Yeah.
possible, but like, boy,
Also, it's nighttime. Just get up and go home.
just get up. But I would just own that. I'd be like, yeah, I fell off my bike. So what?
Yeah, literally, anytime something embarrassing,
Better like that.
I just laugh with myself and at myself.
Oh,
So, it's like-
yeah.
so people can't be laughing at you when they're laughing with you.
Exactly. Oh no.
Oh, come on.
on.
Look where you're going.
Bruh.
It's a one-way road, fam.
Bro, where are you going?
Is he backing it?
Nobody in that car.
There's no one in that car.
Oh my god.
bollocks. That's not good.
No one
Wait.
in there?
Oh, so maybe the guy just went in
It was
to
left
like,
in reverse.
yeah,
And then he walked out to
yeah.
go pay or something.
Oh dear. Oh, that's bad.
That's not good.
I thought it was actually someone reversing. I was like, what's your end
Yeah, I was
goal?
like, what?
What
what's
is your
happening?
end
Like,
goal?
turn the wheel, do something.
Yeah.
Dang, how does this happen?
This has never happened to me driving.
No.
'Cause I'm not an
If you leave your
idiot.
car in reverse, will it just go?
You have to put it in park or neutral at least.
Whoa.
Oh,
They're about to. What's happening? Are you kidding? They're not being serious right
Are they gonna try and sue him?
now. That was literally pathetic. Oh, he said I have a dash cam. Oh,
You got owned, bro.
That was the
I
most
have a
pathetic. He just literally went like at least play up the part.
I love how he was like, okay, drop by just a
Okay,
second.
you drop. I'm gonna do this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna lie down and make
Yeah.
it look like. Bro, the guy's already
Yeah.
out there letting you know he has a camera. Like by the time your scene ended.
Yeah. Yeah, you punch me to make it look real.
That was the worst acting I've ever seen in my life. I would make that so believable if I was about to do that, but
Sorry, dude.
what do you even say when he's like, oh, I have a camera? You'd be like, all right, see you later, man.
It'd be like, I tripped over nothing.
I didn't, that was nothing. All right, guys, the bloopers are about to start. I was the one of your host, Joss Bedard.
And I was your other host, Stephen Hassan, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
The tick's coming soon.
Come on, the TikTok, the tickety-tock.
The tick is coming soon, a verification.
Oh, the tick. I thought you meant
Yeah.
TikTok.
Oh no. You're probably gonna start that, aren't you? Central's gonna have a TikTok page.
I want to. Really bad. Bagel. I know. People are still ripping me apart for it. How do you say it?
Bagel? Do you say bagel?
I don't know. They say
How do you
weird.
say it?
Bagel.
No, that sounds fine.
Yeah.
Oh, but now are you saying it consciously?
I don't know. Bagel? Bagel.
That's not the first time I've heard someone say that.
I don't know. I say it. Whatever happens when I say it, it just happens. Sometimes I probably say bagel or boggle.
Bagel.
Boggle. Like, who knows?
I had my friends had BMXs, and you know how they have those little things at the back. So I would like
Stand?
Yeah, so I'd be
Yeah.
riding on it, and my friend would be standing. I'm like, oh, I'm so gang.
Or handlebars.
Yeah.
You sit on the front.
Yeah.
Like, leaving a party, getting a ride home.
Hop on my handlebars.
I miss that. You never know what you're gonna get
Yeah.
when you drink with us.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Yeah.
Be psycho. I might be nice. I might be really funny.
You don't know.
You don't know what personality you're getting.